Name of the policy is EC2 SSN US-East- or NV region only. As per the North Virginia region, this policy works for EC2 and SSN. Create policy. Now the policy has been created and mapped to the user. Now go as a IAM user, go to the EC2 dashboard once again, refresh, click on running instances, select the instance, click on connect button. Now you see, it says still what is the problem? Get connection status. Get connection status. Resource is not enabled for him. So you need to allow this as well. Let me add this. I have to modify this particular permission. Then only we'll be able to do it. I means a root user. And click on edit your policy. You can edit your policy. Rather you delete and add, you can edit your policy. Who as a root user can edit the policy. So what is missing here? This is the resource is missing. Copy this and comma separator, add it in a strings. SSN get connection status. Click on next option. Click on save option. That means you are modifying the policy. Now go back here and once again try to reload this entire page. Go to the running instance, select the instance, click on connect button, and you see connect button is working. Connect button is working. Again, there is another exception. Says you are not authorized to perform this operation. Who you are, Spider-Man, is not authorized to perform this. Why? What permission you don't have it? EC2 colon describe security groups because no identity based policy allows. So this you need to allow this particular permission. Again, you need to go back as a root user, edit the policy. Here, two people are working. Don't think that only one person is working. Two members are working here. One person is called Spider-Man. One person is the root user. So you have given only this permission, describe instance, start instance, stop instance, but describe security groups you have not given. So I'm attaching it. This is how we keep on modify things as per the need. Again, go back here, go back as an IAM user, refresh EC2 dashboard, click on instances, select the instance, click on connect button. Now you don't see any exception. Are you with me? Are you able to understand the steps, how I troubleshooted? This is the real experience. When you're going to the interviews, right? You have to explain the scenario. How did you updated IAM policies? We just updated based on the error only. Now we can able to see this connect. You connected this instance with the help of SSH client by following these steps. This is anyway, you know about it now. But when you're part of a project, these steps are not allowed. You're not supposed to log in here. Why? Anyway, you can log in, but they will not give this key pair to you. What is the way to connect them? You have to go to the session manager. To enable this button, you did a lot of work. You have done amazing work. You created a role. Role has permissions. This role has been mapped to the EC2 instance. On this instance, agent should be installed and it should be running. After touching this role, what we did, we stopped and started the instance so that this agent will be restarted. And then what we did again for the Spider-Man doesn't have permission to use this service, session manager service. Again, we logged in as an IAM root user. We went to the Spider-Man and we went to the permissions. We modified the permissions. And every time we are able to edit and modify some or other things based on the error. We got some error, we added this. Again, we saved and tried. We got some error, we fixed it. As an IAM user, if you have permission to work with IAM, then see, for this Spider-Man cannot edit IAM policies.